Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and the exact review link. First, enable NFC on your phone and test a blank tag to verify write capability. Once done, create the Google Review short URL or construct the Place ID review link so it opens the review dialog directly. Make sure you have writable NTag 215 or NTag 213 tags. These are widely compatible and cheap. Finally, open your NFC writing app and ready a tag. You will write the link in the next step. You now write the review link to the tag using an NFC Writer app. Select a URL NDEF record and paste the Google Review link. Choose UTF-8 and short payload to reduce errors. Once configured, write the tag and immediately tap several devices to confirm the tag opens the review dialog rather than a generic map. If you need security, set a password or lock specific blocks, but remember locking is permanent. If something fails, rewrite after erasing the tag. You finish by embedding the programmed NFC tag in a card or key fob with a clear call to action, then place it at checkout. Once done, instruct staff to offer the card and explain how to tap. This increases review response rates. Monitor review attempts for a few days to catch issues quickly. If taps open the wrong page or nothing happens, reformat the tag, rewrite the correct URL, or regenerate the Google short link. Make sure NFC stays enabled on test devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.